How to use teleprompter on Capcut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Capcut on your device. Then at the top, you'll find teleprompter, which is beside auto caption and remove background. Click on teleprompter. In here, you'll find teleprompter. You can drag it wherever you want. As you can see, you can move it anywhere. If you click on the gear icon, you will be able to select the speed, font size, and also color of the prompts. After you have done that, to edit your text, you can click on the pencil-like icon which is in the middle. Then you can simply replace this text with the text you want and press on Done at the top right corner of your screen. And to take a video, simply click on the circle at the bottom and your video will start to record. And as you can see, it will move as you have added the speed. After you're done, press on the tick mark at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you can edit it here if you want to. If not, press on export at the bottom and export your video. This is how to use teleprompter on Capcut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.